hello, hello, everybody. Well, today I'm going to do another vase pour. But before I do my vase pour, I wanted to give a shout out to some of I guess they're my subscribers, and they watch my videos and they make comments. So I want you to know that I appreciate you so much. I have 136 subscribers, and believe me, I am excited to have that many. I am here to share experiences that I have with my vase pours, and one day I'll be able to sell them and, make a little profit for all this paint that I've been buying. Oh, goodness. And these vases. So wait a minute, let me tell you a story. You know, I always have a story. So I ordered some canvases, some 10 by 10 canvases from Michael's. And I went out of town and I made a short video of that. You'll see that one day. I get a text while I'm out of town and from Michael's and say, thank you, your order's been picked up. And I'm like, wait a minute, I'm out of town. My husband is out of town with me. We didn't pick this order up. So I called Michael's and I was like, hey, I just got a text that my order's been picked up and I didn't pick it up. I'm out of town. The guy was like, yeah, well, somebody came in, they asked for their order and they said your last name, and yeah, he had a kid with him. I helped him. Oh, sorry, hold on, my phone's ringing. Sorry, my nephew, he has tonsillitis, and I told my niece to call me and let me know how he was doing, because they had to go, oh, here we go, because they had to go to the hospital today for him, and I'm involved with my little nephews. Now, he ain't little. This boy is 6'3", size 14 foot, so no, he is not little. Anyway, I know my eyes look all big looking up. I wanted to say thank you to some of my subscribers. Oh, I was talking about Michael's. Oh, Lord. So the guy from Michael said, yeah, a man and a little kid had picked it up. And I said, no, my husband and I are out of town. And he was like, so you didn't have nobody else pick you up? And I said, no, I did not have anybody else pick my order up, especially a man and a little kid. So he said, well, fine. I'll just put the order back out. I was like, hold up, not fine. It wasn't me. You gave my order to someone else, and it was not me. So I will appreciate if you put my order back out. I will be there tomorrow to pick it up. He said, yes, I will do that. Kind of caught itself, because it's like, don't have an attitude with me because you guys messed up. I'm always nice to people on the phone until they get funky with me. Then I have to bring them down. So I'm pretty sure a few of you guys have to do that too, because I'm nice. Well, to my subscribers, people make comments. I appreciate you. And I wanted to say and give a shout out to GB4468. She said, oh, beautiful. So these are the comments that are on my teal and my pink and silver one. And at SAS2464, that looks like a bigger vase. I really like the bigger ones. The colors turned out gorgeous. To RAQLEW7021, thank you so much. She gave me some information. She was telling me how she was frustrated on one of hers. And Tynita Haynes 4012. This video is my first, and I love you. I appreciate you, girl. Sandra Wilson, 3950. I'm new to your station. I think I'm going to really enjoy watching you paint because you are funny. I'm silly. Annette Ever Lack LaQ 97.8. I should have my glasses on. You see me old. Thank you. I've only found your page, never watched you before. Very comfortable with watching you. Thank you, gorgeous. D Loving 6309. You should have paid. I should have paid you to do the vases for my party. I would have loved to do those. Those are some of those. And I have, let me go to another one of my videos. And this one, I had a lot of subscribers. That one had 14 okay, here's the comments on this one. Marlene Drews. Thank you, thank you, thank you. GB4468. Here we go again. I like her. She's so funny. 70 plus hero. Just fun. So fun. Just love you. So fun. Your color and choice are fabulous. Thank you, GB4468. Tynita Haynes again. Beautiful. Oh, I love you guys. Stephanie's Design 888. That's pretty. SAS 2464, her again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm not going to go and read them all because there have been different people and different comments, but I do appreciate you sharing the comments on there and liking the videos and let me know, girl, you messed up on that one. I try not to mess up because as I always say, if I mess up, they're going to turn red. Well, since I mentioned red, today we're going to have red. Yeah, these colors just popped to me this morning in my head. And I said, let me do a video. Yellow and silver. I know y'all saying red and yellow gonna make mud, but I'm gonna keep them apart. I'm gonna keep them apart with some white. Let me put a little bit of white in here too, because we can't have nothing looking like no mud. Not today. So I'm going to layer them in this cup. Oh, I can't do, oh, I can't have red by the white either because it'll turn pink. And I don't want any pink. You know what? It's going to turn pink anyway. I just mixed this silver up. It's probably be a little, probably have some bubbles in it. Dang. I'm going to have it because I don't have another color to put in between. So red and white going to get together and red and yellow going to get together. It's just going to be one of them days. Either it's going to look like mud or it's going to look like Valentine's Day. And I'm putting a lot in there because these vases are pretty big. I could put black in between, huh? I gotta mix some more white up. And this is like a dump. Look at, just dumping the colors in here. Let's see how that turned out. Yeah, that silver kind of is thick. I thought I thinned it out some. Ooh, I see the red and the yellow already making mud. Ooh, well, you know what? This would be one of them creations that we're going to see what's going to happen. I'm actually going to put some black in here. Just to try and do some separation between these colors. I said a little bit, huh? Y'all know me. Yeah, I need some more white. And these are all my new bottles that I mixed up. Yeah, I've been doing some pouring. Y'all been right along here with me. And I think that is enough. Let's put the tops on these. Put these aside just in case. And see how these turn out. How this vase turns out. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I already did my leveling. Everything is leveled and ready. Yeah, I gotta put a little bit more white, a little bit more water in my silver because it is too thick. Here we go. I'm gonna pour on the sides. It's gonna be red first. Oh Lord, got some mud going on. And I sprayed this with alcohol too. Just to let y'all know. See, look at this. That pink and that red got together. I mean, the pink and the red and the white got together. Ugh. I might have to take that white out. Because I don't want any. I wish I did a bigger canvas. Yeah, my niece said that my nephew has tonsillitis and his tonsils are swollen and got pus on it. Yuck. So they were talking about taking them out, but the doctor kind of changed his mind. But my niece said he keeps on getting an infection. So I remember when I was 6 years old, they took my tonsils out. Because I kept getting infections and tonsillitis and all that stuff. Now, this is some funky colors here, huh? These are some funky colors. Nothing is going on this side. What y'all think so far? This is different, I must say. That's a lot of paint for a small canvas. Yeah, it's pouring down over here. That turned out to be like a green right there. I hope that pours off. Still pouring right there. I hope it keeps on pouring. That made like a green color. Ooh, what is that? Red and yellow and what is green? Because you make green like a brown and is green red and yellow? I thought green, red, and yellow made brown. Maybe it makes green because there's green over here too. I don't want that. I don't want green in here. Get out, green! Get on, get on, get on. Maybe the black made the green and the yellow. I don't know. I forget my mixtures, my mixes of colors. Yeah, this was a lot of paint for this little vase. I forgot I had the little vase and not the big vase that's over there. It's slowly pouring. Ooh, I got some gray over here. Ooh, I can't even say what color. Usually I say like, brilliant blue and white and teal or, in the title. This has yellow, pink, red, black. Oh, silver. I forgot I put silver in there. Silver, that silver's pretty. Silver. Green. Go on, push the green out of there. Push it on out. I don't want the green in there. Right over here. I think that red and yellow made a greenish color. But this is pretty. You know what? This look all right. This ain't all that pretty. This look all right. Y'all see this? This is all right. I'm kind of liking the way this silver here kind of takes over there. Let's show you the whole thing. See, on this side, you have more silver. Yeah, it's all right. I just wanted to see. Oh, there's my big head. Just wanted to, try up some colors. I just popped in my head this morning. Then you got a little funky purple going on there. Is that the lining of the black and yellow making purple? Got a little pink going on. I kind of like those swirls I did when I layered that out at the last minute. See those layers right there? Yeah, that's the leftovers from the cup. I hope that yellow stays in there. I think it is because that's a long stretch. Yeah, you got the streaks of yellow back on the silver. Then this side is just, ooh, wee. What is it? What can we call this one? I think I just might call it the vase. Because I'm just not sure. I am not sure. Is that going to keep on going? Look at right there. I hope that do come off. Because that's like a little funky dip right there. I don't know. So I took the vase off, cleaned up the little mess from carrying the vase over there to my little drying station, and here we are. I thought this would have filled in more. Come on. That ain't moving a lick. Going real slow on this one. I'm trying to get that little swirl thing in the middle. Come on. Okay, gotta hurry up and get to that end because I don't want to ruin the swirl thing. Got it. Got it. So this has the different colors in it. I see pink. I see like a violet color with that red and white mixing together. I see the grays, little bit of the black, little tiny bit, but overall, I'm liking the picture. That's pretty. Let me work my hands real quick. So I can touch my camera, my phone camera, my camera phone. Yeah, that's pretty. Here we go. Woo-wee. You know what? You guys are going to see me using a lot of yellows. I kind of like that. And this is what I wanted to keep. You see that part right there? I like the way it looked like it's going into something, and it's going over a ledge and then it's flowing down. See, got to use your imagination on these things. Like a swoosh out the side, out both sides. See how they just go down in there from the sides, and those are the same colors too. And they're just going in, and then they go over, and then they're making another beautiful. I love waterfalls, so this is a beautiful waterfall. Ooh. See the silvers? Yeah. This is a beautiful waterfall? Question mark. Hi. Well, thank you again for joining me as I do. See my Floetrol? That's the stuff I got to spray out there for the fleas in the backyard. For my vase pour, this one is gonna be called Waterfall? Question mark. Watch for it. Thank you. Bye bye.